Yo, what is up? What is up, everyone? How are you doing? Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you're all having amazing days. So today we actually have a bunch of stuff we need to get done. First things first, we actually need to go to the post office because apparently we have a really big box in the fan mail. Alright, boys, so we are here at the post office. It's time to go and get our package. Let's do this. Alright, so check it out, boys. This is the box we got. It's massive.
If I hit it one time, I'm a piper. If I hit it 2 times, then I like her.
Woo, woo, woo! That's a jam! We're back in action. So as I told you, today we have come back over to the Dubai Motor Show. The thing is, yesterday I barely showed you any of the crazy stuff. Like, they have a lot of crazy stuff today. So right now, they're bringing us the VIP badges so we can go and show you some cool stuff.
Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be Karlmann.
Check out my man. What's up? What's up, you guys?
What's up, baby? What's up?
Yeah, what's up, baby? Guys, these guys are super awesome. What's your favorite car today?
The Bugatti.
The Bugatti? And they got a little one over here. What's your name? Boris. So as you can see, this is the line of hypercars I'm talking about. We have 4 Bugattis in this line. Even more special is this, the LaFerrari Aperta. This car is currently being sold for like $7 million, which is like 26 million dirhams in our money. It's insane. So right now we are about to start up the LaFerrari Aperta. Let's see how this bad boy sounds. Woo! Oh my god. Damn. Oh my god, we just made a whole crowd. I think we made a lot of noise, guys. Let's go. Okay, so here's the thing. All of the cars over here are actually going to be coming over to the Super Sprint event at the end of the year. And look at this. They have a bag full of keys. This bag is probably worth like 100 million. Look, you got the 𝐾𝐻 key inside here. You got the LaFerrari. Everything you can imagine is inside that bag. So if that bag goes missing, all of these cars, yeah, you have no key to them. You got the carbon fiber Bugatti over here. You got the carbon fiber P1. I mean, just look at all of these bad boys. I'm just ignoring all of like the Lamborghinis and other stuff because when you have 4 Bugattis, I'm sorry, like Lamborghini are cool, Ferrari are cool, but like it ain't a Bugatti though. Oh my god, no, not again. The killer Challenger. Right now, me and my mom are quickly walking around checking out everything they have. As I said, this is a very, very big motor show. Like, we can literally walk for hours and hours and there's cars everywhere. But right now, let me take you over to some tanks. So this behind me is the Karlmann King. Now, in case you guys are wondering, it's a new car that's been made, and I'm about to show you the most luxurious and beast of a car you've ever seen. This car is over $3 million, guys, and let me show you why. All right, let's go. So look at how the door opens, and welcome to this monster. Oh my god. Wow, 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 wow. Yo, literally, I have no idea what to say. This interior on a car like this is absolutely amazing. The thing is, you can do anything you want with this car. Like, you can order it fully bulletproof if you wanted to. So at the press of a button, an iPad actually comes out. Oh my god. That is amazing. Oh my. I've never seen anything like this in my life, guys. Wow. So you literally just use this whole center console to control everything. Check this out. We're gonna press one button.
Only the prince.
Are you kidding me? You press one button and your own personal iPad system comes out. Right now, at the push of a button, you have a coffee machine maker, and then, check this out, look. Oh my god. So the cool thing is you can actually control the colors, you can control the amount of stars, the lighting, everything inside this car is like on another level right now. Okay, well there you go, that is the Karlmann King. Listen, this car is an absolute beast. I'm not sure if you saw the features on the inside because the camera got a little bit blurry, but wow. Okay, I think I'm in love right now. Look at this GTR.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke.
Oh my god. Alright boys, so here is a gold GTR. So right now, this is insane. This is the first GTR I've seen like this in my life. And this is actually a one of one, and they've engraved the body. So if you can see the design, this is all engraved onto the body of the GTR, and it looks insane. Oh my god, look at this. That is crazy. I just want to touch it. It just looks so nice. It just looks so amazing. So as I've already said, like the whole body on this car has actually been hand engraved by a guy. Anyways, that is amazing. Honestly, I'm actually kind of speechless right now. There's nothing I can say to justify this car. So right now I'm quickly trying out these really cool electric bikes they have. This thing is insane, guys. Check this out. I'm really bad at controlling this, but it's actually pretty fast. This is the owner, the maker, the founder, everything.
E-charge.
E-charge, that's it.
That's my symbol, e-charge.
They turn everything electric, and he said he might even turn my Ferrari into an electric Ferrari.
Yes.
Alright guys, so I'm not sure how to say this, but Marcus kindly gave me one of his electric bikes to keep. That's it. And he turned me electric, so thank you so much.
Yeah, I e-charged you, yeah?
He just e-charged me.
Yes.
And literally, I am taking this home. So pretty much, you invented this, right?
Yes.
Holy moly. So this is fully electric.
Fully electric, yeah. With 2 batteries inside. I can show you the batteries.
No way, 2 batteries?
Yeah, 2 batteries, yeah. Look.
Oh.
And you can just remove the batteries, yeah. If you check in at the hand luggage,
yeah,
the security maybe ask you to remove the batteries.
Ah.
So you take one battery out and the other battery out.
So it has double the charge?
Yes, we are able to rent that out in hotels because there's Bluetooth inside and GPS, so we can monitor where the devices are floating.
Guys, that is amazing. Another thank you to him. Listen, he's smart. He invented e-charge and everything, so check them out. They're gonna be everywhere soon. Thanks again, appreciate it. I have an electric scooter now. That's awesome. All right, so right now the event is actually over. If you can see behind me, it's completely empty and I'm here overtime. But I need to show you this car. Check it out. Bam! This is actually a brand new car that just came out. It launched here, I think, and it's amazing. Yo, listen, I know I told you I'm the only one here, but we have a savage yo-yo squad. What is up? Bro, we're the only ones in here.
I know.
How? Do we have?
know.
Are you gonna stay?
Probably.
Probably? I like that. Alright, you go that way, I'll go this way, alright?
Sure.
Peace. See you. Echo! So there you go, that has been the second day of the motor show. For now, we're heading out. Look, we are the last people in the car park. I don't know how we ended up leaving lost, but let's go. So we are finally back home, and it's time to unbox the package. More vlogs. Ooh. Alright. So this is for me, guys. Look at this. Mommy Mo.
Yeah, thank you.
Lana! This is also Victoria's Secret.
Nice.
What?
We got matching gifts.
Oh.
Oh,
That's so beautiful.
thank you.
Ta-da! So it seems to be like you got a cream.
Oh wow, that is some beautiful. Oh, rose gold.
What?
Thank you so much. I'm in love with this bag.
Now, Now it's time for Mo Vlogs' gift. So you ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you kidding me? Oh no. No.
Oh! 𝐕𝐴𝐺!
𝐕𝐴𝐺?
What does the owl say? Okay.
In case you guys don't know, I really love Drizzy Drake and his stuff. Oh.
Ooh. Oh wait, I did not know they had polos in 𝐕𝐴𝐺s.
You have polos?
Damn.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is amazing. Now, what is this?
We don't know. Looks like there's a USB on it.
To be used together, both boxes work together.
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Is that like a riddle?
What is that?
Ah, it's a digital frame. Okay, so this says family photos on a USB. What type of USB is this?
Oh, what? Are you kidding me? 3, 2, 1. Boom! Ha!
That's not our family.
No, wait.
Bro, that's not us. Look how cute me and Lana look when we're kids. So pretty much, I don't know why the USB is not working right now, but thank you so much for sending this in. We're gonna play around with it. And look at this. It rotates. It actually rotates whichever way you want it. Big thank you to Vaz for sending this in. I really appreciate it. But yeah, guys, right now it is late at night. We just go home and it's time to sleep. What are you doing?
Picking your nose.
Alright, anyways, as always, I love you guys all. I'll see you tomorrow for another epic video. Make sure if you're new around here, subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you want to win an iPhone X, all you need to do is, yeah, just be a subscriber. It's just super easy, guys. I love you. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and as always, yalla YOLO. Bye!